Hello friends, now we discuss about thermo and thermosetting plastics. The difference between these two, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics in this polymer. So thermo and thermosetting plastics somewhat sound similar, but they have totally different properties and different applications. Basically, it depends upon the stability to withstand the temperature. So thermoplastic can be synthesized by an addition polymerization. Thermosetting can be synthesized by an condensation polymerization. What's an addition polymerization? Addition polymerization is just an addition of monomers to form a long chain compound without elimination of any molecules. But here, thermoplastics, there will be an elimination of certain molecules like ammonia, water, etc. So thermoplastics can be done by an injection, molding, extrusion processing, blow molding methods, rotational molding methods, etc. But thermosetting plastic can be processed by only compressed and reaction injection molding. So it's very difficult to form. They have secondary bonds between the molecular chains. The bonds are not so very strong. But thermosetting has a primary bond molecule. They have an interlinked, strong, cross-linked polymeric network, which makes it very strong and brittle. The thermoplastics have low melting point and low tensile strength. With the increase in temperature, it will melt. So while heating, it becomes soft, and while cooling, it becomes hard. But thermosetting plastic have high melting point, high tensile strength. It won't melt on heating. It can withstand a very high temperature, but after the temperature, it will burn to a carbon. It cannot be recycled. Thermosetting plastic cannot be recycled. Thermoplastics can be recycled. Thermoplastics have low molecular weight. With thermosetting plastic, a high molecular weight. So thermoplastic can be recycled. Yes, we can recycle nylon, polystyrene, toughen, acrylic compounds. Examples of thermoplastics. The examples of thermosetting plastic is bakelite. We use bakelite in our switch box, in our cooker hand bar, in cooking utensil hand materials. Polyurethane, epoxy resin used in mechanical materials. Vinyl ester resins. So these are the examples of thermo and thermosetting plastics. So these things you have to learn. You search for another plastics. So the difference between these two is very, very important to understand the property of the plastic materials.